Alright, so let's have a go at programming the zebra crossing. First, I'm just going to delete these flowchart symbols. There we go. Now, let's take a closer look at the main flowchart symbols. This one here is the start-stop symbol and is used at the beginning and the end of a flowchart program. The output symbol is used to turn digital output such as lights, motors or buzzers on and off. The delay symbol pauses the processing of a flowchart and is programmed in seconds. The decision symbol, which we don't need for the zebra crossing, is used to branch a flowchart based on a condition. If the condition is true, the program will continue one way. If the decision is false, it will continue another. And finally, we have the line tool, which is used to connect all the symbols together. So we're going to start with our start symbol. And down at the bottom, we're going to tell it that we want it to be a start symbol. And then we are going to turn our output on. So our light will get turned on. We're then going to wait a moment. We'll wait 2 seconds. And then we're going to turn our light off. Then we'll end our program. Stop. Now we're going to play our program. Lights on, lights off, and the program's ended. Okay. We need to make this better. That symbol there. We're going to put another delay in, and again we'll make it the same for 2 seconds. And now we're going to create a loop. So after that delay, we are going to go all the way back to turn the light on again. And now let's play and see what happens. So on and off, on and off. So the program works. We probably need to make it flash faster, but we can do that by reducing the delay time. Select the delay, go to the 2, change it for a 1, and do the same with the other one. And play again. That's much better. To save your work, click on the save icon, find a suitable place to save. I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to call it Flow. And inside that folder, I'm going to call it Zebra Crossing. And click Save. Now, it's your turn to have a go. Watch this video again if you need to. Afterwards, try the crossing lights or the bridge lights for a bit more of a challenge.